Shining out among the backdrop of the night sky, we can see stars and galaxies from hundreds of light years away, right here on Earth. These individuals are your 2020 Ohio FFA STARS. Each of them have worked diligently to earn their state degree, have excelled in their FFA involvement, and are working to ensure the future of agriculture in Ohio. Without further ado, I am honored to present to you your 2020 Star in Agriscience, Star in Agribusiness, Star in Placement, and Star Farmer Ohio FFA Degree recipients. These individuals have mastered the art of critical thinking, problem solving, and finding solutions to improve our world. They have a passion for science and agriculture. Over many years, they have worked hard to use their projects to make an impact. Their patience, intelligence, and dedication have earned the following the title of Star in Agriscience. Your finalists are Joseph Glassmeyer, Felicity Franklin, Jessica McWaters, Pettisville, Trina Orr, Utica. And the 2020 Star in Agriscience is Jessica McWaters of Pettisville. Jessica McWaters is a senior in the Pettisville FFA chapter, and her advisor is John Polson. Over the past 5 years, Jessica has logged over 450 hours of work in her agriscience projects. She has studied the absorbency of livestock bedding, surveyed the knowledge and understanding of dairy drinks in female athletes, researched the impact of antibiotics on bovine respiratory disease, and studied the impact of Cryptosporidium on calf health. Upon graduation, she plans to study biology at Huntington University. Her parents are Tom and Angie McWaters. There are many challenges in the business world, but that doesn't stop these FFA members. Their ability to think creatively, manage tasks, and to network has allowed them to flourish in their respective businesses. They have gained real-world skills that will carry them far into their future and have earned them the title of Stars in Agribusiness. Your finalists are Morgan Kimmel, Covington UVCC, Caitlin DeMassimo, Norway. And your 2020 Star in Agribusiness is Morgan Kimmel from Covington UVCC. Morgan Kimmel is a senior from the Covington UVCC FFA chapter, where her advisor is Jessica Helsinger. Morgan is the daughter of Ray and Stephanie Kimmel. Her SAE involves breeding and raising German short-haired pointers. She has 10 breeding females and 2 breeding studs and makes business decisions to provide what her customers desire. She plans to continue to grow this business in the future by adding quality animals and reaching a broader clientele. She will be pursuing a business degree to assist in achieving this. These individuals have taken their hands-on experience to the next level. They have taken what they've learned and put it into practice in a real-world environment. These FFA members have spent many hours working hard to gain skills and knowledge, with the intention of positively impacting those around them. The Star in Agricultural Placement finalists are Kelsey Cooper, Houston UVCC, Emily Bookless, Ridgewood, Brandon Fleek, Westfall, Connor Miller, Winford. And now, the 2020 Star in Agricultural Placement is Brandon Fleek of the Westfall FFA chapter. Brandon Fleek is a senior at the Westfall FFA chapter, where his advisors are Megan Mormon and Rachel Sear. He began working for the company Fleek Brothers Farm Drainage in 2016. He has learned how to operate many types of machinery, and in the last 4 years, he has worked over 2,000 hours. After graduation, Brandon will be employed full-time installing drainage pipe and running machinery, where his SAE began. Brandon hopes to own his own family business one day. His parents are Donald Fleek and Kelly Robinson. Since the founding of our great nation, the United States has heavily relied on production agriculture to serve as our backbone. For generations, the farming community has provided not only our food supply, but has also given us a sense of American tradition and pride for our hardworking individuals who spend their day in the field, while carrying on the time-honored tradition we know as farming. Please join me in congratulating our finalists for Star Farmer. Maggie Matthews, East Clinton. Wyatt Crozier, Felicity Franklin. Cole McKinley, Ridgemont. Shaylee Warner, Utica. And now, the 2020 Star Farmer is Cole McKinley of Ridgemont. Cole McKinley is a graduate of the Ridgemont FFA chapter, where his advisors were Stephanie Jolliffe and Shelby Faulkner. His SAE consists of raising 67 Hampshire and crossbred ewes and 3 rams, 26 head of commercial feeder calves and rabbits. This year, he has purchased 3 German-imported Netherland dwarfs to increase genetic vigor, raising nearly 200 kits while retaining 30 breeding stock and continue his nationally acclaimed rabbitry. Cole is attending Marion Technical College to obtain a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Cole is the son of Bill and Shannon McKinley. The most remarkable discovery in all of astronomy is that the stars are made of the same atoms as those here on Earth. Throughout our history, we have studied and followed their complexity, all while being amazed by their beauty. Similar to those stars in our galaxy, we have stars in our organization that are worth congratulating. These members have dedicated countless hours and have secured the knowledge and the passion needed to shine bright. Ohio FFA members and guests, it was my honor to present to you the 2020 Stars Over Ohio, proudly sponsored by Farm Credit Mid-America.